Hi, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to start off by quickly saying that I hope everyone's doing really well and I hope everyone is keeping safe. If anyone has any tips or anything on how they're keeping busy and trying to keep things as normal as possible, please put them in the comment box because I would love to see what everyone's doing just to keep themselves busy. I'm doing as many YouTube videos, Instagram posts as I can just to try and keep everything as normal as I can. So last week Anne-Marie put a video on her TikTok of her 5 favourite hairstyles for her hair. So basically I'm just going to be recreating these. I will stick a little video clip of the TikTok that Anne-Marie done just so you can see the hairstyles that I'm doing as I'm doing them. So if you would like to see these hairstyles, then just keep watching. Tutorials. Let us know if you like any of these hairstyles, if you would try any of these out. Comment below your favorite one, and also if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.